let's do this one where we turn to the right and then just do the 0 petal flower. 1, 2, 3, down, back to butterfly. Turn left. We'll do the 0 petal flower on this side. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and down. Turn to butterfly. And then we'll turn to the right. And 5, 6, 7, and 0 petal flower. 1, and 2, and 3, and down. Turn to butterfly. Turn left. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and down. Turn right again, 0 petal flower, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, down. Turn to the front, turn left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and down. Turn right, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and down. Turn to the front and left, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, down. Turn right, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, down. Turn left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, down. Turn right, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, down. Turn left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and down. Turn right.